Welcome to A Student's Guide to TSR, your guide to getting the most out of the SLCC Student Writing Center. I'm Jordan, one of the writing advisors here at Salt Lake Community College. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an appointment for in-person tutoring at one of our campus locations. First, for in-person tutoring, log into TSR and then click the In-Person Tutoring tab. Next, choose the writing center where you would like your appointment. You need to fill out this form completely. If you leave anything out, it won't process, and you'll be kicked back to this page to fill in stuff that you didn't previously. If your instructor gave you a rubric for the assignment, it can be helpful to copy and paste those criteria into this box. Otherwise, the more detail you can give about the assignment, the better. Next, select a date and time for your appointment. Then click the Submit button at the bottom of the page to confirm the booking. That's it. You're good to go. Thanks, and please be sure to check out our other videos in the series to help you get the most out of the SLCC Student Writing Center.